Hello and welcome to the M-Content tutorial to apply for M-Seed funding. If you're a filmmaker or content creator and you have a good idea for a film or a project, then this short video will guide you through the steps to upload your 2 to 3 minute pitch. First, go to mcontent.net. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, please do so now and create a profile before continuing to the next step. If you're on the website, you'll want to go to the upper left-hand corner of the menu and click Apply for M-Seed. This is where you will upload your 2 to 3 minute pitch video for the M-Content team to review. And now on the application page, we'll quickly walk through the steps. First, input your video title, which is whatever best describes your idea or project. In the description, you have some room here to add more text or information that you'd like the M-Content team to review. For estimated budget, this is only an estimate, but you should do your best to calculate what your costs would be from start to finish to create your finished product. Location, that can be your current location. And then in the upload video column, this is where you'll upload your 2 to 3 minute video, which is simply you talking to the camera and explaining your creative project or idea to the best of your ability. Next, you'll insert your thumbnail for this video and pitch. And then once you have all that in there, click Upload and wait for it to complete. Once you have finished uploading your M-Seed pitch video, you should be able to go on your profile and see it there as pending. Please allow the M-Content team time to review it. On the M-Seed folder of your personal profile and app, you'll be able to see any updates on your submission. If you have any questions about this video or M-Content, just go to the main menu of the website, mcontent.net, click on About Us. There you can go to all of our socials, including Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, and others, and make contact with us directly. There's also a link to contact via email about M-Seed videos and funding. Thanks for watching and welcome to M-Content.